Hi there, I'm Shar, and I am the creator of the YouTube channel that you might be seeing me on, or one of my two groups, which is Rock and Sublimation for Beginners to Experienced, or the Sub for Beginners group that has about 180,000 people in it. We're here today because somebody asked, how do I double check to make sure my drivers are installed correctly? This is going to be first part I'm going to show you. The second part I have to talk to you, which is my Mac people, because I don't have a Mac, but I know how they work and I know how to install drivers and I know how to set them up. So let's talk to Windows first. You'll go to your taskbar and type in printers and scanners, and when you do, you'll get this list. Once you get this list, click on your printer, and we'll just go with the 2800 for now. If your printer doesn't show up on the list, let me just go backwards real quick. If your printer doesn't show up on the list, click on add a device and it'll pop up, okay? All right. You can also change the name of your printer, etc. But for now, we're just going to click on that 2800. And once you see this, if you want to add that as a shortcut to your desktop so that you have a shortcut to your printer, you will click on more devices and printer settings and you'll get this pop up, which will then show you everything that's attached to your computer that you've installed. And these are some of my printers, and you will find that printer, which is this one right here. Right click on it, click on create shortcut. You will get a pop-up. Sorry. You will get a pop-up that says create shortcut. Say yes, and you will have a shortcut to your printer on your desktop. Okay, I don't need that because I already have one. The second thing you want to do before you put that shortcut on there is make sure you have the right printer with drivers. So how do you check that? You click on Printing Preferences. You should see 3 tabs. If you only see 2, you're on the wrong printer because it's possible that there are 2 with the same name on there. Check them both, okay? This one is obviously the right one because I have 3 tabs. A couple of things just real quick. Make sure your paper size and paper type that you select here are what's on your printer when you put a piece of paper in there. If it's not, and they don't match, you'll get printer error, paper mismatch. Don't just press OK and go ahead and print. I know you can, but you shouldn't, because now you have erroneous information being sent. The printer is going to go with its default setting. If it's on plain paper and you wanted a very deep, rich print, you'd probably have this on something higher than plain paper, okay? The other thing that's important is to set up your quality to the highest if you can, okay? If you see more settings, click on that and move the quality to quality and then click OK. All right. A couple other things. Quiet mode should be on. Absolutely. Be able to slow the printer down just a little bit, and your print preview will be on. It'll save you a lot of money. Trust me, many years of experience and many mistakes along the way. All right. The other thing a lot of people hear about is bidirectional. If you don't see bidirectional, but you do see high speed or fast print here, uncheck it because they're all 3 the same, just named differently in different parts of the world. Also different printers. Okay, I have a printer that has high speed instead. Mirror image should always be on, and then go set up your color settings. It's in the color correction box. That's where you do all that. Okay, another quick something to tell you is go to your maintenance tab and click on extended settings and come up here and turn on your thick paper. If you don't turn on your thick paper, the tensioners in your printer will pull that paper a little too fast. You can do this on both Windows and Mac most of the time. Not every single printer, Epson printer, has a thick paper option. 95% of them do, but there are a few that don't, okay? All right. Now that you got all that done, you're ready to go. Just make sure that you got all of that set up correctly. All right, so now you have a shortcut and you have made sure your drivers are installed correctly. I want to tell Max real quick what's up. For you guys down here, it's the Apple dock, right? Go to your Apple dock. Click on System Preferences and then Printers and Scanners, and you will get a list of printers. Not quite this like the ones we have, but similar. You'll see a list with little pictures. Click on the one that you use for sublimation and go to the bottom right hand corner and check your version number. If you're a 3.0 or 4.0, you're on AirPrint, you have the wrong drivers installed and you're going to miss out on a lot of access settings. So if you have 12 point something or higher, you're on the right one. For you, in order to turn off the thick paper and turn on quiet mode and turn off your bidirectional, you will go to your options and supplies page, click on options, and you will have a drop down list. In that drop down list, there'll be thick paper, then quiet mode, and then after that'll be bidirectional. Don't turn off the one at the bottom. If you have two, turn off the top one. That's how you turn yours off. Your paper settings will be on your preview, and your for your size, and your paper settings will probably be in print settings. Go to your print settings and change your paper type and quality and turn on mirror there. You also have access to black grayscale there, which all of you, including the Windows people, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me just click on this real quick. Right here is black grayscale. Okay, that's where you access your black grayscale for purge prints that have just black, in case you have an air block on your black. So that's your black grayscale. On Macs, it's usually on the print settings page, located above the quality setting. I hope this is helpful. This is what you guys need. You do not you cannot download drivers onto a tablet or a phone. They just don't accept them. That includes iPads. So I highly suggest that you make sure that you are printing from a computer of some kind, whether it's a Windows or a Mac, it doesn't matter, but print from a computer. Okay, I know not everybody can afford a printer right away, especially with all we invest in doing sublimation, but my suggestion is save up for one, or go to a resale store, or go to a pawn shop somewhere and go grab a computer, okay? Because it'll save you a lot of hassles and headaches, because you need access to all those settings, okay? Have a really great day. As always, if you need help, just ask. Stay blessed, not stressed. Happy subbing.